Alright guys, figured we'd do a video. I'm getting close to 100 subs, which is awesome. What we're doing is we're welding some of this chop out here. Just keep tacking until she gets all complete, and then I'll come back with a flap wheel, knock all this down, and then take a hammer and dent it in so when you put filler on it, she comes level. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going like this. This is probably gonna take me a while. Got to do the other side yet too, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got some kitty hair filler on there, wait for it to dry, and then we'll do some smooth in a bit. But yeah, got her all welded out, and still got to grind the other side, but I'll fill one side and then grind the other as I'm going. And then yeah, after I knock this down, we'll put some smooth filler on her.
I'm so high, I'm so gone. I'm so high, I'm so gone. Yeah, I'm gone in the moonlight. Yeah, I'm gone off the Henny. Yeah, I'm gone off the backwards. Yeah, I'm gone off the Henny. Yeah, I'm rolling through the bumps and I'm rolling through the city, and I'm going back to Force, 'cause that's where I live. And I'm in the moonlight in the zone. Night away, I'm chilling. Always alone in the forest. On the back of like the villain. Yeah, I'm gone off some other things. I'm gone off some new shit. I'm gone for this time, man. I'm talking off the deuces. I'm so high, I'm so gone. I'm so high, I'm so gone. I'm so high, I'm so gone. I'm so high, I'm gone. I'm so gone. I'm so high, I'm so gone. I'm gone. I'm so gone. Yeah, I'm gone in the forest, and I'm gone with the moonlight, and I'm gone off the backwards, and I'm gone off the Henny, and I'm gone off the plenty, and I shine like a diamond in the moonlight, inspires me, and the moonlight desires me, and I'm gone. I'm so high, I'm so 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 gone.
If you didn't mind that track, it's Night Boy. Check him out. Social media, YouTube stuff. Does some great tunes, man. Some nice fat beats. All right, man. That's the chop. 6 inches down. We got the kitty hair filler on her. Ready for sand and some smooth stuff. Still got to take about another inch out of this door. Body lines don't quite line up. You can see they're off just a little bit here, a little bit there. She's a bit too high here. So chop some more out of it. And I always like to do the top and then chop the door to match. And then fits a little bit nicer. And then we'll start on some rust repairs. And then, yeah, we can start fillering, and maybe I'll take her and get her blasted too. Who knows? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.